Welcome to Beyond Encryption, home of Mailock, digital recorded delivery, a secure email communication system capable of providing assurance of your intended recipient's identity. Clicking the orange User Portal button at the top of the screen will take you to Mailock's homepage, where you can click to sign up for a consumer account. A simple registration process which involves 4 parameters, including your email address. Once completed, the system will send an activation email to the address that you have given to verify you have control. By clicking on Download App, a tab item at the top of the page, you'll find that it is possible to download and install applications or adapters that fully integrate with, for example, your desktop Outlook system or your mobile devices, whether this is Apple or Android. These are available from their respective stores. Looking now at my desktop Outlook system, you'll see that the only articulation of Mailock's add-in is the Compose New Secure Email button. But let me just demonstrate how to sign in and sign out of your account, and also register within the add-in. Click on the Not Registered Here Yet button and fill out the tabs exactly how I would on the web, but I already have an account here, so I would just sign in. For the time being, I'm just going to author a new email to a new recipient in the form of a standard email, but I'm going to include some words that might provoke the need for security. Given that a normal email is very much like sending a postcard, meaning it can be easily intercepted, certainly something you wouldn't want if an email contained banking details or confidential information. Again, in the normal email authoring window, the only articulation of Mailock is the logo toggle button. But in this example, I'm just going to leave it as an unsecure email and look to send. Now, as you can see, one of the things the system does is at a local level, the email content and the words held within the message are checked against the library, which if you're using a company system can be defined by you so that your users are nudged should one of these words appear in the email. Just simply click the blue button for a secure process. In this case, I am emailing a new recipient, someone that is not part of my secure community, i.e. I am not certain that the person I intend to email is connected to that email address, and therefore I want to verify their identity. This is done by a challenge process, a question and answer, ideally a shared secret or a piece of information between the two parties, but for this example I'll use these. Switching over to the recipient side now, we'll assume that the recipient has signed up and downloaded the add-in to their Outlook system. I'd simply double-click on the email I wish to open, which would display the challenge set by the sender. If I demonstrate what it would look like if I were to incorrectly input the answer, then this message would display, letting me know that I have 5 attempts to get it correct, or the message would be revoked and the sender will be notified that I was unable to open the email. However, once the challenge is met, the email can be read and the sender will be notified that the message was successfully opened. This allows the message to live in the recipient's email as a normal email. Now, if I just close this tab down here, you're able to see that the email exists in a text form in the recipient's inbox.